Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and today we're going to be looking at some old Air Max 95. So this is my latest pickup. It is a Air Max 95 GR from 2006. Picked these up from eBay for £80, I think 85 all in with shipping. They're fully dead stock, brand new, not been worn, complete with arch supports, original box and everything else with it really. So it's got a leather perforated upper, so it's got leather upper there. The midsole and the air bubbles have yellowed slightly due to the oxidization that happens over a period of time. I think it's either the coating they use, or I think it was either the coating or the glue. One of those turns yellow over time, sort of like the Super Nintendos from back in the day. If you ever had a Super Nintendo and you had it over a good couple of years, it would start yellowing. So same thing happens to these really. Condition is pretty good. There's a bit of sponginess in the sole, which is good. If it's stiffer or more solid, usually they crumble and fall apart. So I think these might be wearable. For a 12-year-old shoe, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good find in my opinion. You won't come across things like this very so often right now, and for them to be brand new as well, that's a bit of a bonus. I think the best place to pick pairs like this up, or vintage pairs, is most likely eBay. There used to be Collect, but I think that's changed to some other branding now. I can't remember what it's called, but this is for pairs like this, I'd say just have a browse on eBay every other day or so, or just set up your searches for alerts and it'll just come up as soon as a new pair is listed. So obviously older pairs, they're a bit more, how can I say this, they're a bit better quality wise basically, compared to the stuff you get thrown at you today. There's a lot more attention to detail, quality control's a lot better, materials are a lot better, there's less corners cut when developing and making a shoe, and then before it gets to the customer it's always gone through thorough checks, and somewhere between then and now, part of that's been lost, and I think the mass production side of things is just taken over. So I'd always go for older pairs rather than a new pair. I'd rather spend £80 on these and then something straight out of a shop right now. All white upper, all white laces, used to be white midsole, sort of yellowing now, white outsole, simple as can be. So yeah, that's that. That's my latest pickup. I just thought I'd give you guys a little video on these, since it's sort of a rarity finding dead stock trainers from that long ago. So yeah, I'll have an on-foot video of these after this. I'll also be taking some photos for Instagram and things like that. Give me a follow at Rocket Don't Stock It. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of this video. I'll catch you guys on the next video.